Hello, it's Tuesday the 4th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So Schroders have been on. The investment managers believe that the UK base rate will reach 6.5% later in the year. They think that after the inflation data for May surprised to the upside, we'll probably need another 50 basis point rate hike in August before the Bank of England feels comfortable returning to 25 basis point rate hikes later on. Greene has been on ahead of her first MPC meeting. The new girl cautioned against expecting inflation and therefore interest rates to settle back down to their long established levels. She also suggests that the R star, which is interest rate neutrality, has risen, and that means that monetary policy is not actually as tight as the market currently believes. So it looks like she will not be as dovish as her predecessor Silvana Tenreiro, and it looks like she will be voting for more rate hikes. Over in the US, while Independence Day gives reason to celebrate, the spread between the 2-year and the 10-year Treasury notes does not. That has inverted to the widest level since 1981. The ratio is a classic indicator of economic well-being, but it currently reflects the market concern that the Fed rate hikes will cause a US recession, after data supports the idea that the Fed will resume rate hikes at their next meeting. To put that in perspective, pretty much every time the yield curve has inverted like this, it has been followed by a recession in the US within 2.5 years. The clock is ticking then. Added to this was another word of caution from Powell, who is concerned over the size of the regional bank doubtful loan portfolios. They're around $2.7 trillion in troubled commercial real estate loans, and every future rate increase risks another bank failure. Bertie, come on. There may well be trouble ahead. In the market, the dollar index was barely moved by any of this. We topped out at 103.30 before closing around 103 for the day. Sterling drifted along and closed around 127 against the dollar. We open around 126.90 against the dollar, 116.40 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 109 this morning. That's it from me. Better go and see if my dog's okay. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.